Hello, we are again here from Syntax Maths. Want to create something like this? Resume application tracking system. Let's go. It actually judges your resume against the job description that have been entered in the field. Let's test it. Let me enter some job description that I found in LinkedIn related to a job, and I'm uploading my resume, which is also built on AI skills. When I hit the test my resume button, it is running. And there's the result, matching percentage 80, which is very 85, which is very good, and some missing keywords, also suggestions that helps our resume to be improved and screened. Now let us see the code for the application. It is pretty similar to the RAG application that we have seen earlier. And this is how I created a resume ATS folder and created a conda environment file, source code file, and requirements file. And the only thing I added is PyPDF2, which is used to upload my resume, and remaining all prevails same. Similar code used for loading environment variables load.env, streamlit PyPDF, Google Generative AI OS libraries were imported, loading the model, which is Gemini, and this is the function used to get response from that LLM. And this is the function that actually converts the PDF that have been uploaded into text. Don't worry about the code. I simply found in GPT. I'm creating Streamlit application now. Tab header, page header, and taking input, which is job description. This is the code for file uploader. Actually, where my PDF file will be uploaded. I initiated resume data as an empty string. If the file is uploaded, I'll call the resume text function, which actually converts the PDF into text. And again, and I repeat again. And this is highlight of the session, which is prompt, which actually turns the general purpose large language model resume ATS application. It all depends on your prompting skills. And rest of the code prevails same as that of RAG application. If submit button is entered, and if submit button is entered, call the get response function, and it will store the response in the response variable, and hence we will be getting the output there. And that's up for the session, guys. Coming up, more content.